Hello everyone. So in this video, let's talk that how we can convert a decimal number to a fraction, right? So always if a decimal number, that is a rational number given to you, so how we can convert it to a fraction very easily, let's discuss that. Let's say if you are having an example 0.23 bar. So a long method is there, but let me tell you how one short trick is there, like how can you convert in fraction very easily. That is, bar means 2 3 is repeating again and again. It is like 0.2323 like this, right? So a very basic thing is there. Write the number as it is 23 and divide it by, in how many numbers we are having bar here? Two numbers, so 2 times 9 in the denominator, right? So my answer is 23 by 99. Let's have one more example. Suppose 0.7 bar. So my answer will be 7 by 9. As I said, the same number divide by 1 time bar is there, so by 9, right? So some students can say it is not always 0. Yes, it is not. It can be like 1.7 bar. So 1.7 bar means what you will do here, 1 is the integer only, because we will consider the numbers after the decimal. So 1 is the integer, so it will write as it is 1 plus. So 7 is there, 7 bar, so 7 by 9. Alright, so after that you can solve it and you will get an answer. So this is 9 plus 7, 16, 16 by 9, right? So 1 is the integer here. You can write this one as it is. Let's solve some more questions. This is one type of question when you will have a normal decimal here. Next is, suppose if you are having 0.12 bar. Now as you can see, bar is only on 2, not on 1, right? So it means only 2 is repeating, 1 remain as it is. So here how can we solve this? This is 0, doesn't matter, so 0 integer, 0.12 bar. So here what we will do, we will write the whole number, that is 12, minus, on that number which does not have any bar, we will subtract from this, right? Divide by, now in how many numbers we are having bar? Only one number, so 1 time 9. And how many numbers we don't have any bar? So that number of times 0. So my answer is 11 by 90. I hope you understand. If not, then you can rewind and watch it again. Let's have one more example here. 0.069 bar. Now what is this? 0.069 bar, same as it is, write the whole number 069, it can be 69 also, minus 0 is there, so 0 subtract, divide by two numbers which is having bar, so 99, and one number which does not have any bar, so 0. So my answer is 69 by 990, right? Let's say if it is not 0, if it is 1, then what will be your answer here? See, 169 minus 1 divide by 990, right? I hope you understand how we are going to solve this. Let's solve more examples. Yes, the first question is 37.56 bar. So 37.56 bar here. So 37 means the integer, doesn't matter. 37 plus 56. Both the numbers we are having bar, so 56 by 99. And when you solve this, you can do 37 into 99. So we can solve like this, right? And we will have 3663 and we can add 56 here. So my answer is 3719, right? 3719 divided by 99. So my answer is B. Next question. It's very easy. See, 0.45 bar. So bar is on two numbers, so 45 by 99. And 45 by 99, as you can see in the options, it is not available. So it means it is the simplest form and it goes with, yes, anyone, you can tell me 45 by 99. Yes, correct. Answer is 5 by 11 because it goes with the 9, right? So 5 by 11, answer is C. Let's move to next, 0.018 bar. Very simple. This is 18 minus 0, because 018, right? The whole number 018, we can write it like 18 minus 0 divided by 990. So answer is 18 by 990. And 18 by 990 is not in the option. It means this is the simplest form, and when you solve it, you will get 1 by 55. One more, 4.12 bar, and bar is only on 2. How we are going to solve this? 4 plus the whole number 12 minus the number which does not have the bar 1 divide by only 2 is having bar, so 1 times 9, and 1 does not have bar, so 0. Now you can solve this. 411 by 90, and 411 by 90, when you solve this, you will get 371 by 90. Answer is B. Calculations you can do by yourself. One last question. So I want you to all give me an answer for this. 0.863. You can pause the video and you can find it, and after that you can check your answers, right? So only on 63 we are having bar here. So answer will be 863 minus 8 divided by two numbers which is having bar, so 99, and 8 without bar, so 0. So answer will be 863 minus 8 over 990, and my answer is 855. All right, thank you so much.